Right now, we're seeing a travel sentiment score of plus 0.08. While that might seem modest, it's important to note that sentiment momentum has been flat at plus 0.00. This suggests a stagnant trend despite the positive sentiment. You might find this intriguing. Our API captures 20 semantic clusters, indicating diverse aspects of travel experiences being discussed, but they aren't gaining traction. Imagine you're building an application that recommends travel destinations. This data could help you understand the underlying feelings about specific locations or trends, allowing you to tailor recommendations based on current sentiment rather than just historical data. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data to create smarter travel solutions.